The 2027 Toyota Tacoma is here, and it's raising the bar once again in the mid-size pickup truck segment, known for its legendary reliability, off-road capability, and strong resale value. The Tacoma has always been a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Now, Toyota has taken everything people love about this truck and refined it even further, creating a pickup that feels more modern, more capable, and more comfortable than ever before. At first glance, the 2027 Tacoma makes a bold statement. The front end features an aggressive grille design, sharper LED headlights, and a more muscular stance that gives the truck a commanding presence on the road. The sculpted hood, wider fenders, and rugged body lines reinforce its tough character, while new wheel designs and updated color options help it stand out from previous generations. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring rough terrain, the Tacoma looks ready for any challenge. Toyota has also paid close attention to functionality. The truck bed remains one of the most practical in its class, offering multiple tie down points, available power outlets, and durable materials designed to handle hard work. Improved aerodynamics help reduce wind noise and contribute to better efficiency without sacrificing the Tacoma's rugged appearance. Step inside, and you'll notice that the cabin has become more refined and technology focused. Higher quality materials are used throughout the interior, creating a more premium feel than ever before. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long road trips easier, while available heated and ventilated front seats add extra convenience in all weather conditions. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that provides quick access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable information directly in front of the driver, while multiple USB ports and wireless charging options ensure everyone stays connected on the go. Rear seat passengers also benefit from increased comfort thanks to improved legroom and thoughtful storage solutions. Toyota has worked hard to make the Tacoma a truck that is just as comfortable for daily commuting as it is for weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2027 Tacoma continues to offer impressive performance. Depending on the trim level, buyers can choose from advanced turbocharged powertrains designed to deliver strong acceleration and excellent towing capability. Toyota has also further refined its hybrid technology, offering a powerful electrified option that combines impressive torque with improved fuel efficiency. The suspension system has been updated to provide a smoother ride on pavement while maintaining excellent off-road capability. For adventure seekers, specialized off-road trims feature upgraded shocks, skid plates, all-terrain tires, and advanced terrain management systems. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, crossing sandy deserts, or towing equipment to a job site, the Tacoma is engineered to perform with confidence. Safety remains a major priority. The latest Toyota Safety Sense suite includes advanced driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross traffic alert. These features help provide additional confidence and peace of mind behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Toyota Tacoma is expected to start at around $33,000 for base models, while higher trims with premium features, hybrid powertrains, and advanced off-road equipment can reach well above $55,000. While pricing varies depending on configuration, the Tacoma continues to offer strong value thanks to its durability, capability, and reputation for long-term dependability. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma proves that evolution doesn't mean abandoning what made a vehicle successful in the first place. It remains tough, capable, and reliable, while introducing the technology, comfort, and efficiency that modern drivers expect. For anyone searching for a mid-size pickup that can handle work, play, and everything in between, the new Tacoma deserves a place at the top of the list.